In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to prepare your spreadsheet so your information lands in the right place the first time. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing in to your company. From the main dashboard, look toward the top right for the Settings gear icon. This is your hub for tools that manage your lists and data. Click that gear to open the menu, and then choose Import Data. This takes you to QuickBooks' Import Center, where you can bring in lists and certain transactions instead of typing them manually. Next, you'll pick the type of data you want to bring in. QuickBooks supports common categories like customers, vendors, products and services, chart of accounts, and more, depending on your subscription. Choose the category that matches your spreadsheet. A helpful tip here: keep one type per file. For example, if you're importing customers, your file should only contain customer details, not products or invoices mixed in. Before you upload, take a minute to tidy your Excel file. Put headers in the first row with clear names like name, company, email, or account number. Remove blank rows, merge cells, and extra tabs. Convert formulas to values, make sure dates are real dates, and use plain numbers for amounts. Keep each column dedicated to one type of data and avoid special characters where possible. Saving as .xlsx or .csv works well. CSV is often the safest for larger lists. Now click Import and drag your Excel file into the upload area or browse to select it. QuickBooks will guide you through matching your columns to its fields. This is called mapping. On this screen, use the drop-downs to align each column in your file with the correct QuickBooks field. If there's a column you don't need, choose not to import it. Take a moment to review the preview rows. This is where formatting issues will show up. If something looks off, cancel, fix your file, and try again. When the mapping looks good, continue to the confirmation. QuickBooks will show you how many rows are ready and highlight any errors to correct. Proceed with the import, and when it finishes, go back to the relevant list in QuickBooks to confirm everything appears as expected. If you're importing a lot of data, consider testing with a small sample first, and always keep a clean copy of your original spreadsheet so you can adjust and re-import if needed. That's it. You've imported your Excel data into QuickBooks quickly and accurately.